Morning, everybody. Welcome back to Little Shop of Nightmares. A couple of weeks ago, it's been a couple of weeks for me. It's been a lot longer for you guys. Let's just say a while back, one of our viewers asked if I was going to do label casting. And I wasn't quite sure what that was, and he explained it to me. And so I've made an attempt. I took a couple of stickers, stuck them on a tube, and put it in resin, and I don't know if you can see it or not, but one of them kind of messed up a little bit. It's hard to see, I guess, on the camera, but the sticker tried to kind of peel loose a little bit. But we're going to try to turn it and see what we can come up with. I'll bring you guys along. Let me get you turned around. We'll get it trimmed up, and then we'll get it thrown on the lathe. One nice thing about casting blanks is if you do it right with a tube in it, you don't have to drill it. And it definitely don't move off there like we're used to. It never fails. You ever get in the middle of doing something, nobody talk to you all day, you get in the middle of doing something, everybody will call or text or something. We're just going to have to wait right now because you have my undivided attention. Get it spun around, we'll get up, set up on the lathe real quick. All right, we got it set up here. I don't know if I mentioned this is one of the Amazon Mesa kits, or what I'm going to call an Amazon Mesa. I believe that's going to be called good enough as far as turning goes. A little water here. Fill up my water bottle. I don't want to skip that, but I may have to. There we go. I'm going to reverse this for just a second. That's the only time really that reverse comes in handy, is when you're finishing something. It is handy as a shirt pocket sometimes. If you got grain that's laying a funny way or something, you can reverse it, sand that spot, it'll knock all that little grain over, like on oak or something. Oak's pretty bad about it. We're back to the age-old dilemma, finding a rag. There we go. That looks pretty good. And before anybody goes getting butt hurt, the friend of mine, a very dear friend of mine that I'm making this pen for, through a series of unfortunate events, had to ride a short bus in high school. I'm not going to tell his story. I'll leave that up for him, but I just let people know that you know, if you run into him and you see this pen in his hand, you ask him about the short bus. But let me get this thing put together and I'll bring you guys back. All right, everybody. We got it together. I think it come out pretty good. Aside from you can kind of see the line there where that sticker tried to peel up, and that kind of sucks. I guess from now on, if I cast any more, I'm going to use super glue and actually glue whatever, the sticker or whatever, onto it. But it works as it should, and I think he'll enjoy it. And, well, if he don't, he just have to be mad. Trying to think, hell, I've known him 32, 33 years now, and he should expect no less than what I give. And but as I say, he's a good friend of mine, and I think he'll enjoy it. I think he'll see the humor in it, and if he don't, he'll just have to be mad, and it'll be all right. But anyway, if you guys stuck around this long, thanks for hanging out. Thanks for your time, and like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.